Welcome to Olympian Water Testing, giving you the best in water analysis. Today we're looking at the NIH, National Library of Medicine, at the effects of chromium on the immune system. So chromium is a naturally occurring heavy metal found commonly in the environment in trivalent, CR3, and hexavalent 6 forms, and 6 compounds have been declared as a potential human occupational carcinogen among workers in chrome plating, stainless steel, and pigment industries. The reduction of CR6 to CR3 results in the formation of reactive intermediates that, together with oxidative stress, oxidative tissue damage, and a cascade of cellular events, including the modulation of apoptosis, regulatory gene P53, contribute to cytotoxicity, genotoxicity, and carcinogenicity of the CR6 containing compounds. So in short, if CR3 is encountered, it doesn't necessarily cause issues, but CR6 is quite dangerous. As we can see, it can cause cancer, it can cause other problems, as we see cytotoxicity, genotoxicity, and it's a potential carcinogen. So it's something to definitely test and watch out for. On the other hand, chromium is an essential nutrient required to promote the action of insulin in the body tissue so that the body can use sugars, proteins, and fats. That being said, it's better in its 3 form. As we can see, there's different forms of chromium. They're not all the same. The trivalent may not be as harmful, but the hexavalent can be. And chromium is of significant importance in altering the immune response by immunostimulatory or immunosuppressive processes, as shown on its effects on the T and B lymphocytes, macrophages, cytokine production, and the immune response that may induce hypersensitivity reactions. And this review gives an overview of the effects of chromium on the immune system of the body. And we can see the different articles right here. But in a nutshell, there's different types of chromium. When we're not sure what type of chromium it is, we need to have it tested. Why? Because in its trivalent form, it may not be a problem. It may be actually able to help our body with sugars, proteins, and insulin as well. And it can also help the immune system. So it's not all bad. It's not all hurting the immune system, as different heavy metals are not all the same. Chromium, iron, and copper can have some good effects. That being said, not all chromium is good. The hexavalent, the 6, can cause a lot of problems. As we can see, it can cause a cascade of cellular events, apoptosis, the death of cells. It can cause oxidative damage, and it can cause major complex issues such as cancer and other issues because it's labeled as a carcinogen. So that being said, it's always a good idea to have your water properly and periodically tested by an accredited source to make sure there's not high levels of chromium 6 in your water.